You already know your brewery software is holding you back. Half of it looks modern, and half of it drops you into a form from 2010 mid-task. The parts it can't do, you do, in a spreadsheet, in a second app, in your head. Switching feels like a project you don't have time for. So here's the deal. I'll show you 4 things your current software can't do, and what changes the day one app does, all of it. If none of it moves you, don't switch. 4 reasons breweries are switching to KettleiQ, the old way versus one modern app. Reason 1. Every brewery app bolted on an AI chat this year. Watch what they actually do. You ask a question, it reads a thin slice of your data, and it warns you the answer might be partially accurate. It's a search box that shrugs. Meet Ricky. Ask her like you'd ask your sharpest ops manager. She doesn't guess. Every number links to the record behind it, and if she can't find the evidence, she says so. She connects the receivable, the order history, and the rep's route and tells you the move. And here's what no one else does. She's already drafted the work, the follow-up, the purchase order, the brew, sitting right here waiting for one tap. Approve. Nothing executes until you say yes. That's the whole difference. There's answers. Ricky acts and asks permission. Reason 2. Every brewery has cash frozen in the wrong inventory. Too much of the one that sits, not enough of the one that flies. Your current software plans demand with a static forecast someone typed in January. It has never sold a single case. Ours reads what's actually leaving the building. From your dashboard, open make, jump to MRP. Real distributor depletions and taproom sell-through, pulled in every night. It already knows Piña Colada is 20 barrels short before the shelf goes empty. And it's not one blended number, it's per distributor, per taproom. Then it drafts the brew to cover the gap and the purchase order for the grain. Build what the market is actually buying, down to the account. Not a guess from January. Reason 3, and this is the one that makes breweries switch and never look back. Ask your current software to schedule a fermenter rebuild. It can't. There is no maintenance in it at all. So you're in a spreadsheet, a second app, or you're just hoping. KettleiQ treats maintenance as first class. Every fermenter, chiller, canning line, forklift, tracked. Work orders with a real status flow, preventive and corrective, overdue flagged before it bites. Preventive maintenance triggers on time, on usage, or on a live condition, and creates the repair ticket itself so nobody has to remember. And every part used posts a real QuickBooks entry, traced all the way back to the ticket and the asset. No other brewery app does any of this. Stop running your equipment on a spreadsheet and a prayer. Reason 4. 2 things eat a brewery owner's month: closing the books and filing with the government. Your current tools barely help. Their accounting close is 2 lock date fields. Their QuickBooks sync is a button and a 6,000-row log. And their federal forms? You fill those in by hand. KettleiQ finds the blockers, tells you in plain English what's wrong, and routes you straight to the fix. Sync isn't a mystery button. It's a per-transaction queue you can read, pushing to QuickBooks in real time. And compliance, the Federal Brewers Report of Operations already built from the beer you actually made. Beer on hand, produced, removed, tax. Every line traces to its source record. 2 minutes of review instead of 2 hours of dread, and you never file late again. Get your month end and your evenings back. That's 4 things your current software can't do, and they run in one modern app, not a new screen spliced onto a 15-year-old one. You stop being the integration between your own tools. You stop being the only person who can find the answer. The intelligence isn't you anymore. It's Ricky, and she works your data every night and hands you the decisions. Switching is a project. Staying is more expensive. Let's put your real numbers in it and show you your first morning of work already done.